Whether you're a job or a business or a student, it does not matter. You can become the first generation crorepati. You too can become a first generation millionaire. It's not a rocket science. More money makes you more spiritual. पहला चीज जो चेंज होता है अपनी लाइफ में वो एनर्जी चेंज होती है. Once the energy changes, it shows in your business. Making money is very easy. Making money is easy. What is not easy is knowing the process. कि क्या process है? Making money is easy. Once you know the process, you can make the money. And there's no rocket science. Okay? Let me see. How many of you are already in a job? Raise your hand. You're currently in a job. Okay, roughly about 70-80%. How many of you are running a business? Okay, 15-20%. How many of you are doing both? Okay, all right. So whether you're in a job or it could be, how many of you are homemaker? You're not doing job, not doing business, maybe you're studying, some of you, okay? Homemaker and business, very good, very good. So whether you're in a job or a business or a student, it does not matter. You can become the first generation crorepati. You too can become a first generation millionaire. It's not a rocket science. It's not rocket science. There are 3 stages of making money. How many? How many? 3 stages of making money. First is making it. Second is keeping it. And third is multiplying it. And I did this research when I was just like you, in a job, no idea what to do in life. I started doing the research. I started spending my time, money and effort in learning, yaar, paise bante kaise hain? How to actually make money. And this is the subject we have not been taught in school or colleges. Yes or no? Nobody talks about money. Do you know why there is a lot of love and hate for Dev Gadhvi on social media? Because I talk a lot about money. I talk a lot about money. And this is what we've been told by our parents. Shh, don't talk about money. Money is sacred. Mat dikhao kitna paisa hai. And if you start talking about money, they start judging you. You're evil, you're bad, you're money-minded. Yes or no? Lalchi, yes, lalchi insan paison ke piche bhag rahe ho. But money is nothing but a positive energy. And I want you to write it down. Money is spiritual. Money is spiritual. Because I know many of you are spiritual as well. How many of you are actually following spiritual practices, meditations, some gurus? I'm a big time spiritual, practitioner. I have done, Vipassana 3 times. I have followed Sadhguru. I was even invited by Sadhguru, right? I'm following B.K. Shivani Didi, right? I've done a lot of spiritual practices because the growth cannot happen completely if you do not have your spiritual grounding. And with that process, I also realized there's a big myth and big block in most of the people that either I can be a spiritual guru or I can be rich. Either I can be very spiritually enlightened and I can have peace, love and joy, or I can have money. In other ways, a lot of people have told that more money you have, more tension, more problems, less sleep. How many of you have heard somebody saying that? Either your friends or family members, yet bahut paisa nahi karne ka. Let me tell you, they all are wrong. More money makes you more spiritual. More money makes you more spiritual. And let me tell you, most of the people who do not have money, let me prove it to you. Let me prove it to you. People who do not have money, they may be religious, but they may not be so spiritual. Do you know why? It's not their fault. Because जब यहाँ भूख लगी होती है ना, तो दूसरों की भूख नहीं दिखती. When you're poor, when you're hungry, when you do not have money, you cannot do more good in the world. Yes or no? When your stomach is full, when your pockets are full, you can pour from that and you can serve more people. Yes or no? And this is the myth that I want to break in our society, especially people like us coming from poor family, middle class family. We have a lot of limiting beliefs about money. And that's why when somebody talks about the money, people think, He's just a rich kid trying to show off. We do not have time for keeping it and multiplying it, but pehle paisa bana to lo. Yes, that is the biggest problem, yes or no? Yeah, paisa ho, so I know I can manage it, I can multiply it, but I don't have the money, right? The first milestone for you to become rich, to become successful in life financially, the first milestone for you is to make your first 1 crore. Benchmark hai. Get to the first 1 crore. Do you know why? Because if you get to 1 crore, you can get to 10 crores. If you get to 10 crores, you can get to 50 crores and 100 crores. First 1 crore is the most difficult. You know why? Because you do not have a brand, product, service. The marketplace does not know you. But once you make 1 crore, then your foundation is set. All you need to now do is build your process and do marketing and learn how to sell, right? How many want to be crorepati? Raise your hand one more time. Okay, here's what I want you to write down first thing. Energy equals wealth. This is what nobody will teach you. They will teach you plus minus formula here and there. But if you want to be rich, if you want to be successful, you got to work on your energy levels. Because पहला चीज जो change होता है अपनी life में वो energy change होती है. Once the energy changes, it shows in your business. It shows in every part of your life. So work on your energy and stay 100% focused. Write down this Guru Mantra. Business is seva. What is seva? Service. Service. Business is service. Why? Why is it a service? Because what you do for others is you're actually solving problems for them in their lives. Yes or no? Through your product, through your service, whatever you're doing, it is actually solving a problem or helping them to become better. Yahi to hai na spirituality. So that means money is spiritual, even business is spiritual, and selling is also serving. Write this down. Selling also is serving. Business is serving, selling is serving. You need to persuade people. You need to sell, right?